This month is our 1-year YouTube anniversary.
We are Craig and Shantz, a South African couple who loves to travel and explore when leave and budget allows it. We can't believe that we've had this channel for a whole year already. We've really enjoyed this journey so far, and if you are new around here, please hit the subscribe button to join us on our future adventures.
Last year this time, Craig and I decided to start our YouTube channel. And we thought, what better place to come and celebrate our 1-year YouTube anniversary than the place where it all started.
So in November 2019, we came to the opening of this extension of Durban Promenade. We actually walked from Blue Lagoon all the way to the harbour, which is almost 8 kilometers. We walked to the mayor and thousands of other people, and that brings us back to a year later. We're standing here today to make a new video.
So we thought we'd come here and reflect on our 1 year on YouTube. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to be asking each other 5 questions. And we have no idea what questions we're going to get asked. So it's going to get interesting. Please stay tuned. We're going to show you a little bit of the promenade. It's a beautiful sunny day. So let's get into it. And we're going to be super honest. And I'm a little bit nervous. Okay, first question. What has been your favorite experience that we've shared on our YouTube channel?
I think the Europe trip was amazing, especially Prague. Prague was one of the best places I've ever visited in the world. From awesome old castles to the amazing history to cheap beer.
So to capture that and share that was really cool.
Okay, so my first question is probably a bit different, but I'm going to hit you with
I'm
one.
nervous.
Who's your favorite YouTube couple? Other than the popular Cara and Nate and top
Cara
guys.
and Nate is my top favorite couple, and they were actually our inspiration. But if I have to choose another channel from our YouTube friends, oh, there's so many, I can't just choose one.
Yeah, we actually like them all. We've made some amazing friends.
But all-time favorite YouTube couple, definitely Cara and Nate.
Inspirations.
Yeah.
Okay, question number 2, and it's my turn to go first. So I want to ask Chantal, when we look at all the YouTube videos we filmed, what is the most stressful moment filming a certain video?
That's gotta be when we were in Bratislava in Slovakia, and we hopped on a bus and we went out of the city, and it was sunset, and Craig was adamant we need to go to this World War bunker. We had this random offline map because there was no Wi-Fi, so we didn't really know where it was. And the further we got, we like, it's getting a bit more dodgy, the sun is setting. We got off the bus and it was kind of this residential area. There was this half-built building. We had cameras in our hands.
Yeah.
That was very nerve-wracking, but we were okay.
Yeah, we actually had nothing to worry about.
Right, my turn.
Yeah.
So what was the most stressful thing for you about starting a YouTube channel, and did you actually have reason to worry about that? It's only the second question, but it's getting deep now.
So for me, it probably wasn't stressful, but I actually thought to myself, how are we going to afford to do so many things for YouTube? Because when you think about doing all these things, you think about going out, having to spend money to go shark cage diving or to go to restaurants and everything. But we find that we've actually, some of the videos we've filmed, where we've literally gone to the promenade and taken a walk, and they've actually got the most views and the most feedback. Also, I think time was a worry for me because we both have full-time jobs.
Yeah.
And filming every Saturday, Sunday, when you actually relax. So, but we've actually gotten to enjoy it. So I think that probably a bit of time and money just to actually get a consistent video out every week.
So especially in the genre of our YouTube channel and our niche, which is travel, it can get costly. But we found our cheapest video, or like our cheapest videos where we spent the least money, kind of does the best.
Yes. You don't always have to do expensive things to make cool content.
That's what we're going to show people. You don't have to spend lots of money to have a good time. Okay. Third questions. What skills have you learned this past year through us having a YouTube channel?
Sure. Yeah, so definitely editing. Like, we've both learned how to edit videos, and I know you can do a lot better than I can right now, but I've learned how to edit. And I must say, another thing that I have to do for work, which I do present things at work, so I do speak in front of people at times, but it's actually improved my talking.
Yeah.
Speaking in front of a camera, I'm becoming more fluent with my talking and pronouncing words better. So it's just,
both of us.
I think it kind of boosts your confidence a bit.
Cool. Your turn.
Okay, my third question. Where's one place you want to make a video, anywhere in the world? If it's just one video, and what would you want to do?
Go hike Machu Picchu. We were actually planning on going to Peru in December to hike Machu Picchu. It's been on the top of my bucket list since I was in primary school, and we did a project on it. So hopefully we get to do that soon, but if I had one video left that I had to make and I could choose anywhere, it would be Machu Picchu.
Yeah. Good choice.
We are sitting here in the amphitheater. We're gonna ask our last few questions here, but I just remember our first video where this place was packed full of people. There was a band in the front and everyone was singing along. It was so amazing. So it's so cool to be back here 1 year later. I'm gonna ask you the fourth question, and it's a tough one. You better be nervous for this.
I'm terrified, actually.
Okay, so my question is, what has been the most frustrating thing about having a YouTube channel with me, your wife?
Whoa! Okay, so where do I start?
Hey!
I should have brought my book. No, I'm joking. No, obviously I love filming videos with Chantal, and we have so many awesome experiences and memories that we've created. Has been awesome. But
good odds are, okay.
But there does come a time where we get frustrated with each other, or Chantal has this certain way of thinking. She thinks I know what she's thinking. So she has this shot in mind where I'm supposed to be walking with my hair blowing behind me on the little ledge, and she's thinking that, and she's like, go, just do it. And I don't know what she's thinking, so I do find that a bit hard sometimes. But I've explained it to her, and we do explain to each other a bit better now. It might be also I'm just not listening properly. That does happen as well. So,
but why aren't you reading my mind? That is my question.
But definitely that's probably the most frustrating thing. It's not a bad thing. We're a couple, we do have our disagreements. It does happen. I think all the memories we've created and the videos far exceeds any frustration. We've had an amazing time doing it. Aww. And I love you.
I love you. Isn't he the best?
Has there ever been a time where it's just too much and you just be like, I just can't do this. This one video a week is just too much because it's too much work. You spend nights up editing and that. So
yeah, because we both have full-time jobs and YouTube is also a full-time job. It has been quite tough, but I do enjoy making videos and it's always kept me going. There was one time where I just felt I couldn't edit another video, but then we made a video that Craig edited. That was our East Coast sunrise video, and he loves drone footage and cinematic videos. So he just took charge and you edited that video, and it was just such a nice break.
Yeah.
And then I was fine to carry on again after that. Okay, last question. For anyone watching, like any couple watching, wanting to start a YouTube channel, what would your advice be to them?
I would say for couples to make videos, you have to find times to turn off. I would say just be understanding.
Patient.
Yeah, there will be times either of us get frustrated and the other one needs to just understand the situation and just be relaxed about it.
Because sometimes one of us really we don't feel the vibe for filming a video on a particular day. So it's just to be understanding maybe on those days.
Yeah, definitely. The last question is not too hard. I would say, looking at all the videos we've made, I want you to pick your favorite and your worst.
My very favorite video on our channel is the first episode of our Euro trip, which was a travel day. I know travel days are quite boring for people to watch because it's just planes and everything, and maybe a few airport lounges, but that to me was my favorite video, even to edit and stuff like that, because I edited that one when we were overseas. And just looking back at that video, I just get those vibes again of traveling, and especially the scene where we come out of the underground, up the escalator into Prague. And when I watch that, I still get goosebumps because that feeling was just amazing. I think my least favorite video is one of our breakfast videos we did. I think neither of us was actually feeling it that day, and it showed on the video. It probably took us half the video to get into the vibe, and like the first part of the video is the most important. It catches people's attention, so we had kind of low energy in the beginning, and we were sitting at a table where people were talking really loudly, and we were sitting in the sun. We just couldn't get into it, so even to edit that video wasn't fun because I just saw this bad footage. But then towards the end of the video, where we were at the driving range, it picked up again, but I don't know how many people actually stuck it out to see that part. So that's my least favorite video.
Okay, then, because I'm making the rules, I've got a bonus question for you. So because we are business partners in this YouTube channel, I want to know, as your partner, what would you like me to improve at to benefit this channel more? Tough question, eh? So you can get your book out.
Should I be honest?
Yes.
Yes or no? Okay. Shooting B-roll. Shooting B-roll, and your flip-flops always make a sound, make a noise on our video clips. Those two things.
I always get in trouble for sliding my flip-flops on any surface, so...
Because I put the earphones on while I edit, and then all I hear is dragging feet.
Okay.
Fine, okay, I'll also get a bonus question then. Are you still keen to do a YouTube channel with me? After 1 year, is it worth it?
Yes, it is. I'm excited to make more memories. I'm excited to travel the world, create videos, and just share our amazing experiences with the world. So even if people aren't going to watch our videos, we've got all these videos of all our holidays and our experiences that we can show our kids one day, and we can just take to the grave with us.
It really is fun to share our memories and our adventures with family and friends especially. And thank you to all our family and friends that watch our videos week after week, and then also to all of our subscribers. Like, we appreciate all your support so much, and looking at the comments after videos and seeing all the little things that you guys pick up that we didn't even notice is in the video is really cool. Yeah, so I really enjoy that, and making so many new friends who we've never met in person, but it feels like we know them because we support their channels, they support our channels. So our group on Telegram, thank you guys for all of your support. We can ask you any question, and then we also have a group, Create ZA, so a bunch of South African creators on a group. It's just nice to get connected with other creators.
Yeah, definitely.
After 1 year on YouTube, we can safely say we both absolutely love this journey. and hopefully we can put a bit more time and effort into it in future. If you enjoyed this Q&A video and you have some questions to ask us, please let us know in the comments below and we could possibly do a follow-up video. If you are South African and you immigrated to another country and there's maybe a specific place you would like to see in KZN, let us know. We'll go check it out and let you know if it's still the same or maybe it's changed a little bit. Thank you so much for all of your support this past year. We appreciate it so much. And if you're new around here, please hit that subscribe button and let us know in the comments if you are a new subscriber. We would love to engage with you. Thank you guys so much for watching. We are going to hit the beach now. Bye!
Okay, so just what's the question again? Frustrated. Is that
Stop changing the subject.
Yeah.
Answer the question.
Trying to do something wrong and I get in trouble and I don't actually know what I'm supposed to do. So
You don't get into trouble.
I get into trouble a lot. Talk about.
What did I say? This month. I said this month. This year, I mean,
This month.
this month.
Okay, let me change the question. Oh, I need to think of something. Spot there.
What did you write
I
down?
didn't write them all down.
I told you to write down your questions. I actually wrote down my questions.
I have them in my head, like a clever person.
So here's my third question. What's patience? Is my answer. Okay.